Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at the most important things to do after the installation of your WordPress. So this is the very new and website that I have installed a WordPress in, which is downloadfreecourses.us. Now this is the by default WordPress theme, so I'm going to make some of the changes that is very most important to do in everyone's WordPress website. That can help you to rank your website faster, that can help you in your future, because most of the people that are beginner and starting their website in WordPress don't know about these things. When they have reached to that level after 2 or 3 years, they get to know these things. So these are the most important things that you need to do. So let's go into the admin panel of my website. And now I'm going to first look at the settings. Now this setting has the permalinks. I'm going to click on the permalinks right here. And now you can see that I have it's by default selected day and name. I'm going to click on the post name. When I select the post name, it will be like shown like the article name and then your website domain name here. If you select the day and name, it is going to show you the date and time, which is not required or essential to use this. It looks more professional and it is going to rank faster if you use short URLs in your WordPress. Now if I'm gonna scroll down, I can save the changes here. So now the changes have been made, and now the second option is to go to the general options, and you can see that I have just download freecourses.us. I need to put like www.downloadfreecourses.us. And same if you install the for example, if you install the SSL, then you can directly shift your HTTP to HTTPS right here. Currently we don't have SSL, we are just going to click on www dot and somewhere are going to do in the site address. And now you may see that the tagline is just another WordPress. I need to just remove this and type in like, I'll just copy this and paste it right here. Now I can go down and click on the save changes. Notice you will see the changes right here like www.downloadfreecourses.us. Now I need to log in again to this site because the changes have been made and I am required to again just put my credential here. Hopefully it is the password. Yeah, it is. So like you can see that is www.downloadfreetutorials. Now this is very important, you need to put www, and of course SSL is the most important thing if you are running a site, because it is going to give you a boost in ranking your website faster. It is what the Google forum or others things just say. And now we are going to install some of the basic plugins for SEO, which is SEO Yoast. Just type in SEO Yoast and you can see the very first one. Just click on the install. Now the plugin has been installed successfully. Now let's click to activate the plugin. Now the plugin is successfully activated. Now you can see the option or menu for SEO Yoast right here. Just click here and there are tons of options that you can do like general settings, search, or other things that can help you. Now I click for the search appearance, where I need to type my title and all the things like this. My title is probably this one. I'll just copy paste the title here. Just will change the tutorials to courses and all the things are just as same. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it into the meta description, and just I will remove the tutorials to courses, because I'm gonna just type the same credentials that are used in my domain, which is going to help me. And I will just uh, select the person, and I will type free courses, and I will save the changes. Now you have made the first change here. Now the second thing that you need is like add new. This is the post, like you are going to see some of the basic options if you want to like add the paragraph and do other, but you don't have a text. That what text like you want? I don't want the text is like this. I want some professional Algerian or other form of taxes fonts. So for that I need to install another plugin, and I will click on the add new right here, and I will type tiny MCE. Now this is one of the best plugin that can help you in these things, and just install the tiny MCE advanced. The same plugin can be used in another CMS platform, which is Joomla, and they both works perfectly fine. Now this has been activated, like you can go to direct settings of the tiny MCE, and you can add a lot of options like the font family and other options, like you can just directly pick and drop things like here, copy paste, or do a lot of other things, and just you need to save the changes. And if you go again to that post, click on the all posts, that will be saved in the draft. Now let's click on the edit right here, and you will see a lot of options right now because of the plugin that we just installed. And you can see that we have changed the permalink. Now it will be shown like hello world. Like you can see a lot of other options, like you can select this all and change to a lot of other text font styles. Basically I use Arial text, and it's 40. You can just update the plugin, and you can now just directly view the post from here. Now this is what it will help you in these things. These are the basic things that you need to do before doing any of the things. And then after that it comes like Google Webmaster, Bing Webmaster. This is the important thing. If you don't know about Google Webmaster and Bing Webmaster, how to do those things, you can just comment below, and I will of course add those videos, and will make you understand that how can it help you in your rankings too. Thank you.